Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add contact form to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in 3dcart and then just scroll down below on this video to the description. And when you're going to do it, click on the link on this L site. L site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a contact form. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Facebook, Gmail or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to scroll down to search and write contact. And you're gonna see contact form. Let's create a widget. Now here you have option to choose between multiple contact forms that you can try and edit. So I'm going to choose this one, the simple one. Let's continue with the template. And what I really like is that you just edit it. First name is the first element that we got. Placeholder, what people are going to write here. Phone, message. So let's say that I don't want to have a phone. I will delete it. Or you can add. You can add file, drop down, heading, label, plenty of stuff that you can try. Then you're gonna see mail, where you want to mail to get. And what is the mail template? And new message from your website. It's really simple. Settings, reCAPTCHA if you want appearance, changing the colors. Now I will just click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting up with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise version. So let's get a code here. And what we need to do is just simply in our website editor, click plus, click spacer, and then just simply add a code. So click here on this HTML button and paste the code and OK. Just click OK. And right now we are going to have a contact form. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day.